Hey homeowners, it's Bianca from your favorite channel, MF Home TV. A gallery wall could be the simplest way for you to fill up an empty space in your homes without actually requiring a lot of money like wall arts or a lot of time and effort like wallpaper and paint. All you need are these sticky hooks, different sizes of empty frames, and of course your chosen art prints and photography, and you're one step closer to creating the perfect gallery wall. Still not sure what type of gallery wall you want? Well, no worries. We hope this episode will inspire you. So come on, vámonos! I said come on, let's go! Black and white photography. Tropical vibes. Trending florals. Wanderlust photography. Coastal blues. Minimalist typography. So what's your favorite style? Because mine is definitely the minimalist typography because I just love getting motivated and getting reminded to fulfill my potential every single day. So I really hope you learned something and that you were inspired with our 6 trendy gallery wall styles so that you can incorporate them into your own empty walls. This is Bianca for MF Home TV, inspiring your home. Here's this week's prize. Congratulations to last week's winner!